Google Fi and Mint Mobile are popular, low-cost alternatives to major carriers, known as MVNOs. Both operate on T-Mobile's 5G network, providing reliable service across most areas. However, Google Fi also utilizes Verizon and AT&T networks for broader coverage in rural or underserved areas. Moving to features, Google Fi offers more robust international features and flexible plans, but at a higher price point. Mint Mobile focuses on affordability with prepaid plans, making it ideal for budget-conscious users who don't need extensive international roaming or the most comprehensive coverage. When it comes to 5G coverage, Google Fi leverages multiple carriers including T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T to achieve 99% coverage across the US population. Mint Mobile operates exclusively on T-Mobile's network, which also covers 99% of the population, but may have fewer fallback options in areas where T-Mobile's signal is weak. For international features, Google Fi provides seamless global roaming in over 200 countries, with high-speed data for just $10 per day, pooling data across devices. Mint Mobile offers basic roaming in select countries like Mexico and Canada, but data gets throttled and calling rates are higher at 20 cents per minute. In terms of value, Mint Mobile's plans range from $15 to $40 per month, making it ideal for those seeking the cheapest options with basic features. Google Fi's plans range from $20 to $70 per month, offering better value if you need advanced features like extensive roaming and multi-carrier coverage.